Today we're getting patriotic, and we are going to be creating these really fun decorations. You can call them star ones, in honor of the 250th anniversary of the United States. So this was something I thought would be really fun and really creative, and I'm going to show you how to make them. So first thing I did was I traced the star. I designed my logo, and I'm just gonna adhere this to the back. I'm gonna put this in the middle, center it. Now, a secret that I did was because you want to angle it on here. I'm just gonna use Mod Podge. I like to adhere it in the middle, and you want it to be off setting so that the star shows through both sides. So the goal here of what you're trying to do is you'll add the stars to the back. You'll see I did this here on the red and the blue, but you want your stars to also shine, tilt them so that they show through on both sides. Again, these are really fun ones. You can use these in parades, you can use these in flower arrangements, you can use these in table decor. If you like this type of content, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe, and you'll be notified of when my next video drops.